Thanks to all who attended the Longwood Wellness House Tour. Special acknowledgements go to John Catinas, the architect who created this beautiful home, and to Paul Catinas, the builder who trusted us to follow our wellness vision with each detail. A thank you to Mariana Ozdanova and Colleen Durant at the welcome table, Cida Diaz and her team for the healthy juices and buffet, bartender Joseph Leixendring, and soprano Jennifer Hudson for playing the singing bowls. Thanks also to videographer Peterson Fagundes, realtor Avi Galanti, and all of you who made this event a sweet evening. We honor all you mighty individuals who contribute to the beauty of our profession on a daily basis. Our wellness cause will continue. Stay tuned.